Hey guys! Everything okay with you? Today we are drawing the big India flag! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Look! Our Indian flag is looking amazing! It's painting time! First we use green and red for the stare, but don't paint the mid-stare, right? Our Indian flag got amazing and beautiful! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!